time has come. These things been in back order for like 2 months. Hope crank arms, 155 mil. I've been waiting for this color because I'm gonna have a color scheme on my bike. So there you go, guys. Been waiting for these. Look at that. Now, when you get these, you'll see it'll say the millimeter, but then it'll say DS, that's driver's side. And then the other one will say NDS, which is non-driver side. High quality material, aluminum. Anodized is amazing. And what I love about these are self-extracting. So when you start unscrewing it, it'll actually back itself away from the spindle on the motor. And this is all contained so that it does not fall out or anything like that. And it's not plastic. So, very, very nice stuff. So let's get these off and I'll show you guys how they look on that kind of bike. Step one, get the proper tool and remove the old crank arm. Step two, clean your spindle. Step three, put some grease on the outer of the spindle. Kind of help later on if the removal process will make it easier. Step four, put your crank arm protector if you got any. You got some on Amazon. Put your pedal on and put your crank arm on. Last step, tighten it to 50 Newton meters. Look at the clearance difference. This is the factory E13 crank arms. These are the Hope crank arms. These are 155 mil. Look at that. This is a tremendous difference in upgrade, so you don't get any pedal strikes. And the final product. They look pretty sweet. It's gonna match very nicely with my upgraded fork once it comes in. They do sell orange colored crank arm protectors. You just order some. They'll be here next week. And like I said, this is a huge upgrade for you guys if you're getting pedal strikes and bottoming out with your crank arm. These are the shortest ones you can get. The 155 mil. It'll help you tremendously with pedal strikes. I don't really get pedal strikes. It's just once you get comfortable riding and get your technique down, you'll avoid that regardless, but this will help in the rock gardens and forest areas with a bunch of tree stumps. So, hey guys, definitely worth the money and the upgrade. If you have any questions about these crank arms, let me know. Like I said, just make sure you guys clean up the spindles, put some grease on there, and you'll be good to go.